GM. Right. So, very, very, very quick. Day 33 of becoming a profitable trader. By tomorrow, you should actually see what my results are for the month. That'll be exciting. Depends if I take another trade today. It definitely won't be tomorrow because it's, what is it, Friday tomorrow? It's Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. So tomorrow won't be any trade, so I can actually lock in and show you how much I made this month of becoming a profitable trader. Anyways, let's jump straight into it. This is just another analysis, so I'll just tell you what I think is going to happen, or what I need to happen. Right. So, BTC USD bearish, still waiting for the break of the lower high. Went all kinds of places. Keeping up with it, I think the main thing for me is just keeping up with doing this every time, because I keep moving it like that. So it's very clear for me what's exactly happening. But if you don't look at your chart for like an hour, it looks like that. So you're like, shit, okay. So let me just drag that over here, and then it moves again. So you're like, okay. And you got to keep changing labels all the fucking time, which is a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. Clarity pays. So I can literally jump onto any pair and I know exactly what's happening, just because of the effort taken to actually measure them and mark them up. So yeah, BTC can't do anything for now. I'll just put the alert here. Can't do anything for now. Literally just waiting for the lower high to be broken here. So that's all we're waiting for. Alerts have been set. Nothing else we can do. EUD CAD. I took a loss on this. I believe it was yesterday. Or I got in on Tuesday and I got out with a loss on Wednesday at 11. But I'd already finished recording, so you didn't get to see that. But anyways, the loss looked like this. Got my entry signal on the 4 hour. Jumped straight in. Thought, let's go. And, unfortunately got stopped out. Nothing to do. It was a 1% risk. I'm doing this actually on a funded challenge, which is the 5%ers. So that's pretty much it for that. Just lost it. And yesterday, same day, I pretty much lost the exact same day, but it was on the same exact pair. Instead of AUD CAD, it was AUD USD. Fortunately, had a bit of a rally downwards here. I saw this, took the entry from here, aimed for a 2-2-1, but unfortunately I can try to measure how far off I was. By about 3.2 pips I missed the wick, which is fine. It is what it is. Every loss gets you closer to a win. So yeah, exactly, as shown here, just got taken out here. Now we're waiting for a break of the lower high for me to even be interested in again. And then this, actually, we've got another 13 minutes until this closes, and I'll be actively looking onto this pair again. So if it closes just like this, I'm just going to move this over here, relabel it, of course, jump down to the 30 minute, just like so, and then start marking it up like this, and waiting for that break of the higher low. But that's in 13 minutes. Anything can happen. Literally, I've experienced that. Well, this is not right tool. This can go all like that. I've seen it go like that. Well, not to this extent, but sure, like this. Like that. And then maybe 5 minutes closing, it looks like that. So it's just been a massive ass wick. That's what these looks like, for example. These ones were all the way down here. And then suddenly, right around like the halfway mark or close to being closed, they just do that. So they got massive ass wicks. So I don't think I can find a huge example of this. I'm not even going to try to look. Yeah, something like this, or something like this, exactly. So just don't make decisions before it's actually closed. That's been my experience, and it's been a good one. AD finished. Right, this EuroCAD, same exact thing. Just aiming for the lower high to be broken. Already went up loads of directions, but currently it's still bearish. Nothing for me to do on this except to wait. Alerts have been set, as you see. USD CAD is actually bullish, and I am looking at this on the 30 minute, and currently we've got 11 minutes left until this is going to be breaking the lower low, and I'll move this to the lower high. But again, this could just completely close below and find its support point right here. So yeah, just waiting for the break of the lower low for a better entry and just readjustment. But what we're actually waiting for as an entry signal is the lower high to be broken, and then we're going to target a daily structure point, which is evidently going to be right around here, or well, actually it's going to be here. This is actually a bit of a confusing pair because it's technically bullish, but all the market structure would tell you that it's going bearish, but it is what it is. I'll just take the entry and see what happens. That was USD CAD. Next is platinum. This has been going on the 4 hour at least. Absolutely crazy. It went bullish. So basically it broke the lower low and went bearish. Then it went bullish. And then it went bearish. Then it went bullish. Now it's bearish. Now I'm waiting for it to go bullish again because I didn't get a single in this entire thing here. All that from, I want to say it's Sunday swings. So I want to say now, up to now, it's been 3 days and I haven't gotten a single entry signal on this just because it's so, I don't know, how would you call it, flimsy. So yeah, just waiting on that, expecting that to be, I wouldn't say today, I could maybe foresee it on Friday, a push in the morning at around New York Open, I could see it, but again, just a theory, don't take my word as gospel. Finally, I believe we're closing on 2 on the SPY calls here. This just went up, but never actually broke the lower high, but it did break the lower low, so we're just trailing that here, waiting for a break of the lower high. So it's a lot of waiting for now. Not much use to sit on the charts. That's why I set these alerts and I can just leave it. I don't need to look at the charts. I know what's happening. If something goes off, like if this breaks the lower low, it'll tell me because I have the alert sitting here saying 4 hour broke lower low. Otherwise, I'm just looking at a bunch of market structure that looks like this. Nothing meaningful because I can't do anything with this. The second it does that, that's a meaningful event to me because that means that there's a 4 hour break and we're starting to form the entry. Next, gold. I saw some people taking sells on gold. It was pretty decent. Probably caught a 1% there, which is pretty good. I mean, of course, if you took the entry from here, from what I saw, people were just using ridiculously small stop losses. I completely forgot it for a second. And they got a 4. Some people made like 20 grand on this. Pretty cool to see. I'm in some Discord groups and stuff, so I get to see how they take it, but it's not my entry, so I'm still waiting for this to be broken by the lower high or the lower low. Breaks the lower low, it'll look like this. If I can grab the stupid thing here. If it breaks the lower low, it'll just look like so. And then I can take the entry off that. But again, just waiting for this time being. I can delete that because I'll be confused why that's there. And yes, I can just move this like so. And finally, NZD CHF. Currently, we are actually, if it closes below here, it will be bearish, which means I have absolutely no interest in looking at this other than sells, because this would set up nicely. I mean, the overall trend is extremely bullish on the weekly at least, but if you look overall, it's pretty fucking bearish because it's just been going down since, well, I won't count this, let's say this point here for the last, how many days is that? 3,430 days. It's just been going down. So am I super excited to be taking some kind of buy here? No. So if this does the following, which is this, which is up, down, goes into that and get an entry signal off that, great. I'll actually target this here, make sure it's above previous level of structure, aim for this, for a nice, oh, hell no, never mind, aim for this here. Yeah, I would see this. I mean, if the entry was something like this, like that, I'd definitely not put my stop so low. I'd just trail it up here an extra 5. And just try to target this place here. That's much better. So 2-1 on this. So I'll let you know. I can't foresee this happening anytime soon because this will have to go back up and then go back down. So this could maybe be something for next week, but again, we shall see. That's pretty much it. Shit. I just completely disorganized everything. Well, I guess I'll have to do everything just again. I'll look back on the recording and organize them again, fuck's sake. But anyways, this was Tiger Shades. Thank you so much for tuning in on this beautiful, rainy but beautiful Thursday. At least it's raining for me. Maybe it's sunshine for you. And I'll see you motherfuckers tomorrow.